I'm going to answer 5 questions about the ocean signal PLB1, that is Personal Locator Beacon, a device that you set off should disaster befall you while scrambling or climbing, to alert the emergency services, to know that you're in trouble, and also to know where you are. Question 1, why would you need it? Well, here's an example. I am lone scrambling, and even here in the pocket-sized Peak District, there is nobody around. I've been here a number of times and I have never seen anyone. Break an ankle and you can shout as loud as you like, but only the grouse will hear. So question 2, where does it work? Anywhere with line of sight to the sky. So on land or on sea, cavers, not for you. How does it work? 3 answers to that: technical, practical and institutional. Technically, the unit sends up a satellite-based distress message, it sends out a local homing distress message, and it locates itself via GPS positioning. Practically, you need to raise the internal aerial, which normally rolls neatly away, flip open the cover and press the activation key. The cover protects from accidental activation, but I normally stick an elastic band around it for additional security. Institutionally, you have to register your device with the national authorities. For the UK, you do that via www.gov.uk/406beacon. Question 4, what is good about it? It could save your life. Enough said. It is light and small, significantly more so than many other locator beacons. You can test out its beacon and GPS capabilities on an occasional basis to see if it's working, and it's also waterproof. Final question, what is less good about it? Well, you're only really going to know if it works as intended if you actually have to use it in an emergency. It's pretty expensive, typically costs around 300 quid, though I was lucky enough to find one on eBay for around about 200. Ideally, you want it as accessible as possible, but the more accessible you make it, the more likely you are to break or to lose it. And finally, if you break both of your wrists, then good luck trying to raise the aerial and set off the activator button with your teeth and nose.